Hi there, John Ferryman from Balance Physical Therapy here, talking to you about our company's core values. Today we're going to pick the third one, readiness to learn. Remember, our core values create an acronym, S.T.R.O.N.G, which is what we're all about here at Balance PT. But readiness to learn is extraordinarily important because as physical therapists, even though some of us have been practicing more than 20 years, we still have to learn every single day because no two patients ever present exactly the same, right? We know that if we've been practicing for any length of time. We still study, we still go to continuing education courses, we still teach ourselves, we still host in-services. In fact, this morning we did one on blood flow restriction in one of our larger clinics with the entire clinical staff there. Readiness to learn is an attitude. It means you come to work every single day with the knowledge that you have, but you come to work every single day with an open mind that you are going to learn something today. It may not be clinical. Maybe it's about the business. Maybe it's about the history of one of your patients. Maybe it's something personal about a coworker or a colleague, but you are open to learn every single day. And when you have that attitude, every single day is about discovery, and there are no 2 days that are ever the same. So guess what? Your attitude improves, and when your attitude improves, everyone around you levels up because their attitudes start to understand, wow, they're not telling me everything I need to know because they don't know everything either. They're here to learn, and I can probably teach them a thing or two. And that's how we roll here at Balance PT. So an attitude of openness, ready to learn from anyone will get you a lot further today. Give it a try. Thanks.